Place the outboard in a vertical operating position. Place a drain pan below the gear case. Locate your vent and drain plug. Drain plugs are lower on the gear case. They are either on the front of the gear case or behind the propeller at the bottom of the bearing carrier. Vent plugs are on the upper part of the gear case, on the side, or the upper section of the bearing carrier. Next, remove the vent plug and drain the lubricant. This will be a great time to get your replacement lubricant ready to refill the lube. The second step will be to refill the lubricant. To do this, make sure you keep the engine in a vertical position. Place the lubricant tube or pump into the fill hole and add lubricant until it appears at the vent hole. Stop adding lubricant. Install the vent plug and sealing washer before removing the lubricant tube. Remove the lubricant tube or pump and install a clean fill drain plug and sealing washer. To find out more information on changing the gear lubrication on Mercury Outboards, refer to a Mercury Owner's Manual or visit mercurymarine.com and click on the Dealer Locator tab.